Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a drawing from the whiteboard in a meeting on the Zoom app. So let's say you are presenting and you are drawing here. Then firstly, the items that you would not like to be deleted, you will have to lock them by tapping on the drawing, and after you just tap on these three little dots on the right side, and tap on lock, or on a bigger item you just tap on it and you will see here on the right side this lock icon. Then if you tap on it, it means that it's locked. You can unlock by tapping on the lock. So after you left unlocked the items that you would like to be deleted, then you will have to go to the bottom left corner and tap on this trash can icon. And here you can remove all unlocked content on this page. And here it is, all these things were locked before. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.